Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I like to talk about German grammar, which is also part of my beginner's course where you learn German with stories. And today's topic is the present tense of the regular verbs. And in my course I use the green background color for regular verbs. Now, I use colors to show you grammar, which is even much better than every definition. So let's see what's going on with the regular verbs in present tense. First of all, we have the personal pronoun. That's also green because it's a subject and it has an influence of the ending of the verbs, and therefore it has also the green color. And the subject is always in German in nominative. So the first person, I, it's ich. So let's see what ich does with the ending of a verb. So let's take the verb kommen, to come. Kommen, it's a regular verb. And here the ending en, from kommen, from infinitive, we take away and then we put just the I. So ich komme. And let's see an example. Ich komme aus Spanien. So we have a sentence with an example. I come from Spain. And here you see the background color is green because it's a regular verb. And ich, the person, it's also green because it's the subject and has an influence to the ending. And aus Spanien is orange here because it's dative case. But let's talk about dative case in a different video. So first person, ich komme. In second person, du, you, du, the ending is st, du kommst. As an example, du kommst aus Spanien, you come from Spain, so it's st. In third person, er kommt, he comes, er kommt aus Spanien, so here we have a t. And the same applies for es is it, So es kommt aus Spanien, the baby, es, it's also a T. And for she, sie kommt aus Spanien, it is also a T. So let's see now what's going on in plural. In plural, we say wir. Wir kommen aus Spanien. We come from Spain. Here it's like the infinitive with the en. So remember, wir, it's like the infinitive. Wir kommen. When you want to say you, but you all, you guys, in German we use ihr. And the ending here is again a T. Ihr kommt. Ihr kommt aus Spanien. You all come from Spain. And then we have they. It's also sie, but here we add again en. Sie, sie kommen aus Spanien. And in German there's also a way to speak formal. Formal means that we use sie, but it's capitalized S, and it also takes the third person in plural. So it's actually to say you, in a formal way, come from Spain. Sie kommen aus Spanien. And it doesn't matter if I talk to one person or to several persons, because if I talk to two or more people, I would say the same thing. Sie kommen aus Spanien. You all, the formula, come from Spain. So, and you see actually here the endings are I, st, t, en, t, en. So there's a kind of repetition. So yeah, stay with this table. Those are the regular verbs, and remember, in my course you will see every time a green background color for regular verbs. Thank you very much for watching the video and keep listening to my story to learn German for beginners.